Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have a NuSet lock. Got this from Joe Picks, from the Joe Picks and John Locke giveaway. This has a €0.5 core in it. So I have picked it. It's a quickset keyway. Not a bad pick. And actually I'm going to I just picked it one other time right before this video. I'm going to actually pick it backwards. So in order to get this core out, there's a hex grub screw type thing in the side type thing. It is a grub screw. So you take that hex screw out, but the lock won't come out. So I'm picking it backwards. So the shackle won't actually come open. So you take the grub screw out of the side. And the core will come out. Because what happens is it's actually easier when you're picking it because it stops when it needs to stop. If I use the key, I was over twisting it. So the mechanism, see if I can get any kind of view down there. The mechanism is tripped by this slot on the side. The actuator from the lock goes into the side of the body and trips the lock that way. Now I'm looking at this and I have never gutted one of these. And I'm not sure if I really want to right now, because if this is what I believe it to be, where's my desk is a mess because I've gotten so many things in and I've done some unboxing videos and I've got stuff laying everywhere, and now I can't see my gut wrench, but I'm sure it's here, and I'm sure if I did see it, it would be like a snake. It probably would have already bit me by now. Oh, there it is. Let me move some locks out of the way. So I think, yeah, what I think and what I know are two different things. I think that spreads apart, and if I don't get this, hopefully somebody will send me a message or comment in the comments and tell me how dumb I was for not knowing something. I've never taken one of these €0.5 apart, and I still am not. I might have to find a video that explains how to get this ring out of here easier, because the part that's exposed that you would grab onto is very close, and I'm grabbing too deep. Yeah, there's a keyway right there, and I was grabbing into the keyway. if I do that, use the keyway to stop that side. There we go. And yeah, it is what I thought it was. And hopefully I can get it back in there. It has a, maybe it's designed that way. It's got a notch in it, so maybe that's where it's supposed to bend. I don't know. But we're into it now, and here we go. All right. I see that there is a small screw on the side, so I'm going to assume that should be loosened up so that it can come out when I start gutting. And I'm hoping the follower will go all the way through, because it looks like it's going to have to. So, make sure I'm still in the camera frame here. Sorry about that. And my follower stopped going through. What am I binding on? It won't go back, so I dropped a pin. I think they're all standard, so I think I'm going to be okay. But having this ring here kind of, I think, threw me off. But I just dropped the guts. Yeah, I messed up a spring there. I think I can salvage it. They're long springs. These springs, man. That's why we can't have nothing nice around here. Diamond Dave. Ninja School. Remember that. Don't go ninja nobody don't need ninja. If you don't know that reference, look up Redneck Ninja on YouTube. Don't watch the Jerry Springer stuff. Just watch the one video where he's teaching you some ninja and stuff, how to Judy chop and all. It is one of my favorites. So I'm sitting here messing with the spring on camera. I'm gonna fix that later, because I think I can take some sort of a pin in there and I can get it wound back down and recover it. I've done that one some before. Okay, so and there's my 5th spring, and they are all standard pins on top, so we don't have a whole lot to look at today. And I'll go ahead and remove the key pins just because, well, we're doing it, right? All right, so that's it. So I went ahead and took this apart. When I started the video, I wasn't sure if I was going to, and then I didn't know if I was going to be able to when I saw that clip. But I am going to replace it with probably the D6X that I got from John Locke. And then I will work on picking that. It's either that or it's going to be the Turzilinder E20, but I think it's going to be the DX6. I might just pick this one out on its own. So, Joe, thanks again for the NuSet. Great heavy piece of brass. I can take this with me and defend myself on the streets, the mean streets of Mesa. Anyway, thanks everybody for stopping by. Thanks, Joe. Thanks, John, for the giveaway. Have a great rest of your day, everyone.